Good afternoon, teacher. In this opportunity, I'm talking about that they use the cell phone in Colombia, and I'm usually that the nomads is all the most impossible to find a person who is not a social network, network like, for example, Facebook, who is that they not spend time talking on WhatsApp, see photos and stories on Instagram, videos on in YouTube, or they gather information together in Twitter. And for example, on is the had thanks or the proliferation or smartphone recycler usher on social network has the been increasing, and Colombia is not the exception. Uh, in fact, according to the study of carried out by the firm SCORE, the reach on social media among in Colombian understand as the sector that includes social networks, blogs, and the other digital interaction space of the 30% that this figure is allocated in Colombia as the five country in the region with the greatest reaches behind countries like Peru, which leads the list with the most relevance in the category of social network with the 18.3%, Brazil followed with 89%, and Mexico with the 89%. And finally, Argentina with the 83%. Uh, Likewise, what this study highlights is the problem that exists in the country is the consumption of their social content through that more than of platform. In Colombia, consumption that they through different device at around the 13% that this form the sites or company and advertising stored content, influencing and marketing, and the user live videos appear of the main trends retail use. And the importance of the social network is the daily life survey that, according to the study of digital consumers in 2017, career art the by telecommunication research center. The activity done Colombia usher occurred to the most of the web in the of social networks with the participation of the 88%. It's followed by the use of the chat, 87%, mentions 79%, and the fact that shared image and videos that the 78%. However, that the study identified that is access from a mobile device that a vendor increased to the 7.4 hours in the month. A day of the contrary is from desktop computer and in the will be the other 6 hours. In addition, that the report also revealed that the people who spend the most time in the country on the social networks are the young people between the age of the 14 and 28 that they with the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat behind their favorite networks. And she also highlighted that the women are the one on connection that the most minutes per day to Avenger on the social network that they visit most is Facebook. For this part, WhatsApp is in the general one the network most used by everyone. In finally, children's access to the web, language internet access. So he also being extender and the two smaller of the house. And according to the study, a career or last year be the company and take on that the 80th university children that the young people in Colombia spend to avenge to the 3 hours and 31 minutes newspaper on the internet. Life Week, this research determined that 75% of children and adolescents use the cell phone as the default with connection to the 85% of tools that supervise connected in common areas of the house, and the 75% of them access the internet for their own room. Thank you, teacher. This is finally of the presentation.